This is the installation instruction for the Silux Control Collector Relay device. We will now be giving you a basic guide on how to complete the installation and the wiring required. Firstly, please ensure your power is off at the mains box before attempting to modify or work on any electrical wiring. Secondly, if you feel uncomfortable or you're unfamiliar with household electrical wiring, it is always recommended to use a qualified electrician to install these products for you. The maximum load of a collector relay is 600 watts. Therefore, whether you're choosing to control a few devices or just one device, ensure the maximum total load does not exceed 600 watts. Silux Control Collector Relays can be used to control lights, LED or incandescent, heat panels or any other similar devices as long as the total load does not exceed 600 watts. So let's begin. To begin with, generally electrical from downlights or standard light fittings as examples loop to one another and then they go to the switch before running to the mains box or DB board, as seen in the diagram. So now let's install the Silux Control Collector Relay. Step 1. Open the grey covers on the collector relay. This exposes the connector terminals you will wire the wiring to. Step 2. Locate the wiring going from the downlights to the mains box, as we show in our diagram. Cut this wire. Step 3. The wiring coming from the mains box is called input on the collector. Wire this into the input terminals. The wire going to the downlights is called output on the collector. Wire this into the output terminals. Connect the wires as indicated by tightening the wires into the respective terminal connectors on the collector relay. Do not over-tighten. Ensure your wiring is connected as the pictures indicated, namely live, neutral and earth. Please pay careful attention to this. Once this is complete and you have checked all your wiring to be tight, close the grey covers and you are finished. To test, you can power the device on by putting your mains box on again and checking that there is a red light on inside the collector relay. If you have wired your collector relay similar to how we have shown in the diagram, your original light switch will be before the lights. Please make sure your light switch is on when testing the collector relay. This light switch should remain on at all times as Silux Control will need permanent power to the devices. You're ready to move on to programming teaching a collector relay now.